So ngayon, punta tayo ng Summerside sa Access PEI for our driver's novice course. So, I have 20 minutes more. 1 o'clock ang start ng seminar. Let's go! Bago ko na-schedule for novice driver's course, ay nag-take muna ako ng written exam. Then after umasa sa written exam, na-schedule na for driver's course. So actually, yung exam was, if I'm not mistaken, 2 months ago, in May. So ngayon, nag-start na 1 o'clock ang driver's course. So hanggang 4 o'clock. So it will take 3 hours. And after this one, based on my research, ang license ko under L or yung Class 7 Learner's Driver's License. Ayun, break time muna. 15 minutes, second break na namin ito. Medyo inaantok na ako. Punta muna ako ng Tim Hortons para bumili ng kape. Ayan, papalik na tayo. So ngayon, nakatapos lang ng novice driver course, and surprisingly hindi na tayo sa learners category. So as per the instructor, nasa GDL na tayo or yung G, graduated driving license. So tomorrow tatawag na ako for appointment na road test natin, and yun aking temporary license for now. Pinutasan na nila yung paper na ipapakita ko during the road test. So right now, pupunta tayo ng gym for our workout. Okay, see ya. Tapos tayo mag-work out. 1 hour din inabot.